Do you have friends who always mix languages when they talk like this? Hello everyone, my name is Nila Nisa Lutfia and today I'm gonna talk about a sociolinguistic. The topic is code switching and code mixing. Before I start, do you have friends who always mix languages when they talk like this?
You know gak sih kemarin I habis ke Denpasar terus banyak smoke because of kebakaran di Sulung Landfill.
Well, that is actually part of code switching and code mixing. And today, we are going to talk about what they are, what they happen, and how this phenomena appear in our daily conversation, especially among Gen Z, because yes, we do this all the time. I choose this topic because in Indonesia, we switch between Indonesia, English, and sometimes local languages without even noticing. This makes the topic very interesting and important in sociolinguistics because the way we choose language reflects identity, relationship, and social context. So, what is the difference between code switching and code mixing? Let's talk about them one by one. According to Hermes, 1974, code switching happens when a speaker switches from one language to another depending on the situation, the people they talk, or the purpose of communication. And then Wardow 2010 also said that code switching is the use of two different language systems in the same conversation. Nah, jadi menurut Hermes, kode switching terjadi ketika penutur berpindah dari satu bahasa ke bahasa yang lain sesuai situasi, lawan bicara, atau tujuan komunikasi. Wardow juga mengatakan bahwa kode switching adalah penggunaan dua sistem bahasa yang berbeda dalam satu percakapan. Okay, now you can see an example of code switching in the next clip.
Perjuangan ataupun eksekusi dari pencapaian yang sudah ada. And all in all, aku merasa bersyukur banget mendapat kesempatan ini dan officially mau pamitan juga. Teman-teman semua, terima kasih supportnya because my role as spokesperson is officially over.
In this conversation, the speaker switch between Indonesia and English naturally. They change languages depending on what feel easier or more expressive for them. According to Hermes, 1982, code switching is mixing two or more languages in one sentence, such as mixing words, phrases, or clauses. Both languages mix freely. Jadi, menurut Hermes, kode mixing adalah pencampuran dua atau lebih bahasa dalam satu kalimat seperti mencampurkan kata, frasa, atau klausa. Sedangkan Moiskin 2000 explain three types of code mixing. The first is insertion, is putting a word from another language. Jadi memasukkan satu kata ke bahasa lain. Yang kedua ada alternation, is switching structure between languages, yakni mengganti atau berpindah struktur kalimat antara satu bahasa ke bahasa yang lainnya. Yang ketiga ada concrete lexicalization, yakni both language mix freely, yaitu kedua bahasa yang bercampur secara bebas dalam satu kalimat atau ujaran. Now, let's take a look at the example of code mixing from chat below. That WhatsApp chat is real example of code mixing we use every day. Why do people do code switching and code mixing? People switch and mix languages because of several reasons, such as bilingualism atau orang yang suka berbicara lebih dari satu bahasa. And then the next is interculture atau menyesuaikan lawan bicaranya dengan siapa. And conversation setting, yaitu tempat atau lingkungan yang mempengaruhi bahasa. And then the next is conversation situation, yaitu suasana atau tujuannya dari bahasa itu untuk apa. And conversation topic, yaitu sebagai topik pembicaraan. And then the next is social status atau menggunakan bahasa Inggris agar terdengar lebih keren atau lebih modern seperti anak zaman sekarang. And then the last is limited vocabulary atau keterbatasan dalam kosakata. Okay, next, now what's actually the difference between code switching and code mixing? Code switching is switching languages between sentences or clauses, yang artinya seorang menggunakan satu bahasa di bagian kalimat lalu beralih ke bahasa lain di bagian berikutnya. Sedangkan code mixing is mixing languages inside one sentence, yang artinya kata atau frasa dari bahasa lain dimasukkan ke dalam satu struktur kalimat yang sama. So, code switching and code mixing are very common in Indonesia, especially among Gen Z. We do it naturally without thinking because it feels comfortable and expressive and part of our identity. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share. See you next time. Bye-bye.